I'm out here working on the Cougar again. Fix that door panel. That's the first one. It's a long strand resin and fiberglass. Okay, that's right there. And then I coated etching primer. Let's fix those two holes. But this is where I'm going to come in and I'm going to put a patch in back here, down there, the long strand fiberglass. And then I'll come out here after it's dry and I'll patch that. I got some of that patch on the inside. Big old heavy patch I put in. I used a thin coat of the resin without any of the fiberglass. It'll just be the fiber-filled resin. I think that's it for today. I can put those patches in over there now. This one looks pretty good. Just one more across there and it'll be ready to primer up. Alright, have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye now.